In today's session, we are going to discuss Python programming multiple choice question and answer for your upcoming examination. Okay, let's begin the session. And guys, they all are MCQs are very important for your all regular examination, university examination. Okay, let's begin. In this, your first question is Python was developed by option A, Guido van Rossum, option B, Dennis Ritchie, option C, Ken Thompson. Option D, Vijayana Strastrup. Okay, right answer is option A. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum. Okay, right option is option A. Next question. Python was developed in the year option A 2000, option B 1990, option C 1995, option D 1991. Right answer is option D 1991. Python was developed by in the year 1991 by Guido van Rossum. Okay, next question. A standard Python compiler is written in blank space language. Option A B C++, option B C++, option C C, option D Perl. Right answer is option C C. Okay. A standard Python compiler is written in C language. Next question. PBM is often called as option A Python interpreter, option B Python compiler, option C Python volatile machine, option D portable virtual machine. Right answer is option A Python interpreter. PBM is often called as Python interpreter. My dear students, don't be confused in this question. PBM stands for Python virtual machine and PBM is also called as Python interpreter. Okay, next question. What is the value of the following expression? Plot 11 /2 plus 2 /2. Okay, after solving this question, you got the answer option C 6.0. Okay, why? Firstly, 11 is divided by 2 and this leads the value 5 because not considered the floating point value plus 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 5 plus 1 is equal to 6.0. Okay, so right answer here is option C 6.0. Next question. What is the value of the following expression? 8 divided by 4 divided by 2 and 8 divided by 4 divided by 2. Okay, solve कीजिए इसको. Right answer here is option B. Because firstly हम ये डिवाइड करेंगे 8 को 4 से तो हमारे पास आएगा 2 एंड 2 को डिवाइड करेंगे 2 से तो आएगा 1.0. तो इसका आंसर हुआ 1.0 एंड 8 को हम डिवाइड करेंगे 4 by 2 से. तो फर्स्टली विद इन द ब्रैकेट एक्सप्रेशन सॉल्व होगा 8 divided by 2, sorry 4 divided by 2 means is 2 and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So here right answer is 1.0 and 4.0. Okay, so right answer is option B 1.0 and 4.0. Next question. What will be the values of the following Python expression? 9 plus 4 divided by 5. Okay, 4% 5 is equal to 4. Okay, and 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. So right answer here is option B 13. Okay, next question. Which among them is incorrect for set S is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40? Okay, option A length of S, option B sum of S, option C print S of the value 3 and option D max of S. Okay, यहाँ पर जो incorrect statement है regarding set S. Okay, set के लिए Python sets की बात यहाँ हो रही है तो फोकस कीजिएगा इस क्वेश्चन पर. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी print S of the value of 3. This statement is incorrect. Okay, in the set. Next question. Blank space data type represents a group of elements written in the form of several keys value pairs. Option A complex, option B byte, option C white array, option D Dict means dictionary. Okay, right answer is option D, dict. Dictionary data type represent a group of elements written in the form of several key values pairs. Okay, next question. Here 0C and here C is small, or 0C and here 0C, here C is capital. In the beginning of a number represent a blank space literal. Option A octal, option B decimal, option C binary, option D hexadecimal. So right answer here is option A octal. Okay. 0 small c or 0 capital C in the beginning of a number represent a octal literal. Next question. 0b or 0 capital B in the beginning of a number represent a blank space literal. Option A octal, option B decimal, option C binary, option D hexadecimal. Okay, because B stands for binary, so here 0 capital 0 small b or 0 capital B in the beginning of a number represent a binary literals in Python. Okay, so right answer is option C binary. Next question. Constant should be written in blank space case. Option A lowercase, option B first character in capitals, option C uppercase, option D any case. Right answer is option C uppercase. Constant should be written in uppercase. Next question. The elements of blank space type can be modified. Option A tuple, option B range, option C byte, option D list. Right answer is option D list. Okay, the elements of list type can be modified. Next question. Which of the following is Python prompt? Option A hash, option B double angle forward bracket, option C double angle backward bracket, option D 3 times forward angle bracket. Okay, so here right answer is option D, 3 times forward angle bracket. Okay, this is the Python prompt. Next question. What is the output of 3 asterisk 2 double asterisk 2? Okay, so 1 मल्टीप्लाई का साइन जहाँ यूज करते हैं हम पाइथन में, इसका मीनिंग होता है सिंगल मल्टीप्लीकेशन, एंड जहां हम 2 डबल टाइम मल्टीप्लाई साइन यूज करते हैं तो वहां पर मीनिंग होता है रेज टू द पावर ऑफ. ओके, सो यहाँ पर आप पूरा आंसर चेक करेंगे. फर्स्टली आप 2 रेज टू द पावर 2 कैलकुलेट करेंगे, दिस इज 4. ओके, एंड मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3 से, मीन्स 3 मल्टीप्लाई 4. ओके, एंड 3 मल्टीप्लाई 4 इज इक्वल टू 12. ओके, एंड राइट आंसर हियर इज ऑप्शन बी. I hope it's clear. Next question. When there are multiple words in a construct, they should be given with option A dot, option B hyphen, option C underscore, option D comma. Okay, right answer is option C underscore. When there are multiple words in a constant, they should be given with underscore. Okay, उसको आप separate करते हैं with the help of underscore. Next question. Triple double quotes on triple single quotes at the beginning and end of the block are used for blank space. This is very important question. Option A strings, option B constants, option C multi-line comments, option D characters. Right answer is option C multi-line comments. Okay, triple double quotes or triple single quotes at the beginning and end of the block are used for multi-line comments. Okay, in the Python language. Next question. Blank space is not a sequence in Python. Option A bytes, option B tuple, option C complex, option D range. Right answer is option C complex. Complex is not a sequence in Python. Okay, next question. Blank space represent group of elements or items. Option A complex, option B sequence, option C bool means boolean, option D int. Right answer is option B sequence. Sequence represent group of elements or items. Next question. Which of the following is not a numeric type in Python? Option A int, option B float, option C complex, option D all of the above. Right answer is option C complex. Complex is not a numeric type in Python. Int, float, they all are numeric data type in Python. Next question. Module names should be written in option A lowercase, option B uppercase, option C either upper or lowercase, option D a starting character alone in uppercase. Right answer is option A. Module name should be written in lowercase. Next question. Program code making use of a given module is called a blank space of the module. Option A client, option B docstring, option C interface, option D modularity. Right answer is option A client. Program code making use of a given module is called a client of the module. Okay. Next question. PVM stands for option A process virtual machine, option A process virtual machine, option B program virtual machine, option C Python virtual mechanism, option D Python virtual machine. Right answer is option D Python virtual machine. PVM stands for Python virtual machine. Next, the highest precedence in the expression. Option, option A exponential, option B parenthesis, option C addition, option D multiplication. Okay, right answer is option B. Parenthesis has the highest precedence in the expression. Okay, next question. Which one of the following has the same precedence label? Option A multiplication, division and addition. Option B multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Option C addition and multiplication. Option D addition and subtraction. Right answer here is option D addition and subtraction. They both have the same precedence label. Okay. Next question. In order to store values in terms of key and values, which are data types is used? Option A list, option B tuple, option C class, option D dictionary. Right answer is option D dictionary. Okay, in order to store values in terms of keys and values, which, okay, so dictionary data type is used. Next question, which of these is not a core data type? Option A list, option B dictionary, option C tuple, option D class. Right answer is option D class. Okay, class is not a core data type. List, dictionary, tuples, they all are core data type, but class is not. Next question. Given a function that does not return any value, what value is thrown by default when executed in shell? Option A int, option B bool, bool means boolean, option C void, option D none. Okay, and right answer is option D none. Okay, because int bool void when no one value is thrown by default when executed in shell. Okay, next question. Which is the function used to display the data type? Option A int function, option B type function, option C str function means string function, option D data type function. Right answer is option B type function. Okay, type function is the function used to display the data type. Next question. Blank space are the strings written inside triple quotes. Option A null string, option B D string, option D doc strings, option D dist string. Right answer is option C doc strings. Okay. Doc strings are the strings written inside triple quotes. Next question. Single line comments in Python is option A. This one means single comma. Option B double commas. Option C hash. Option D 3 times forward angle bracket. So right answer here is option C hash. Okay. Single line comment is Python is hash. Next question, blank space used to allocate memory for objects. Option A memory manager. Option B storage manager. Option C garbage collector. Option D alloc function. Right answer is option A memory manager. Memory manager is used to allocate memory for objects in Python. Next question. Py underscore compile module converts Python source file into blank space file. Option A dot py, option A dot pyc, option C dot pc, option D dot xpy. Okay, right answer here is option B dot pyc. Okay, py underscore compile module converts Python source file into .pyc file. Next question. Blank space module displays the white code instruction in human readable format. Option A disk, Option B, pandas. Option C, XLRT. Option D, P by. The right answer is option A, DIS. This module displays the white code instruction in human readable format. Next question. Blank space package is useful to analyze data. Option A, DIS. Option B, pandas. Option C, XLRD. Option D, P by. Right answer is option B, pandas. Right answer here is option B, pandas. Pandas package is useful to analyze data. Okay? जहां आपको डेटा एनालिसिस करना होता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ पाइथन, तो आप pandas पैकेज इंपोर्ट करते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Blank space package is useful to extract data from Excel spreadsheet file. Option A, DIS. Option B, pandas. Option C, XLRD. Option D, P by. Right answer is option C, XLRD. XLRD package is useful to extract data from Excel spreadsheet file. Okay. Next question. Py and small py is a just-in-time compiler used to blank space execution of the Python program. Option A, reduce. Option B, elongate. Option C, bring down. Option D, speed up. Right answer is option D, speed up. Okay. Py and small py is a just-in-time compiler used to speed up execution of the Python program. Next question. Which one of these is floor division? First one, single slash. Second option is double slash. Option C, percent. Option D, none of the above. Okay. So right answer here is option B. Double slash is floor division. Okay. And single slash is seal division. Okay. Next question. Which is the correct operator for power x y? Option A, x raised to the power by, exponential sign यहाँ पर है. Option B, x double multiplication sign by. Option C, x double exponential sign by. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option B here, because in Python, double multiplication sign is the sign of power x to the power by. Okay. Next question. Which of the following will run without errors? Option A, round 45.8. Option B, round 6352.898, 2, 5. And option C is also given here. And option D, round function. So here, right answer is option A. Round 45.8 will run without errors. And after जो इसकी वैल्यू आएगी guys, वो आएगी 4, 5. Okay. So right answer here is option A and option B, C, D. Option B and C, both expressions generate errors. Okay. And option A is only run, both expressions generate errors. Okay. And option A is only run without errors. Without error. Without error. Okay. Next question. Which data type is, next question. Which data types is the object below L in big bracket 100, 203, hello in commas, 10. So option A is dict, means dictionary. Option B, list. Option C, docstring. Option D, complex. Right answer here is option B, list. Okay. This data here, list data type is the object. Okay. L stands for list, and this is also included and they all are included in a list. Next question. What is the output of the following code? Print 15/2. Okay. Option A, 7.5. Option B, 7. Option C, error. Option D, 0. Right answer is option B, 7. Okay. 15/2 is equal to 7.0 या फिर 7. Okay. Next question. Operators with the same precedence are evaluated in which manner? Option A, cannot predict. Option B, right to left. Option C, left to right. Option D, none of the mentioned. Right answer is option C, left to right. Okay. Operator with the same precedence are evaluated in left to right manner in Python. Okay. Next question. Which is the membership operator used for testing if an element is present in a sequence or not? Option A, like, unlike respectively. Option B is, is not respectively. Option C is member. Option D in, not in respectively. Right answer is option D, in, comma, not in, respectively. Okay. In, comma, not in is the membership operator used for testing if an element is present in a sequence or not. Okay. Next question. Blank space is used for finding the identification number of an object. Option A, ID function. Option B, identifier function. Option C, identity function. Option D, ident function. Right answer is option A, ID function. Okay. ID function is used for finding the identification number of an object in Python. Next question. NaN is a blank space in math module. Option A, operator. Option B, constant. Option C, function. Option D, class. Right answer is option B, constant. Okay. Nan is a constant in math module. Next question. Command line arguments are stored in blank space by default. Option A, function. Option B, bad list. Option D, ARGB list. Option D, ARGC list. Right answer is option C, ARGB list. Okay. Command line arguments are stored in ARGB list by default. Next question. Which of the following is used to accept input from keyboard? Option A, scanf function. Option B, stream function. Option C, get function. Option D, input function.